Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build client relationships with Toptal, beginner guide step by step clearly. Building client relationships with Toptal can be a rewarding experience. Start by familiarizing yourself with Toptal's platform and its values. Understand that Toptal focuses on connecting clients with top-tier freelancers. Create a strong profile that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to include a professional photo and a compelling summary. Showcase your portfolio with relevant examples of your work. Once your profile is complete, actively search for opportunities that align with your expertise. Apply to projects that interest you and fit your skill set. When communicating with potential clients, be professional and concise. Personalize your messages to reflect your understanding of their specific needs. Demonstrate enthusiasm for their projects and a willingness to contribute. Be responsive and maintain clear communication throughout the hiring process. Once hired, prioritize establishing a rapport with your client. Schedule a kickoff call to discuss project details and expectations. Ask questions to clarify their goals and timelines. Provide regular updates on your progress to keep them informed. Be open to feedback and willing to adapt to their preferences. Show appreciation for their input and make adjustments as needed. Deliver quality work consistently to build trust and reliability. After project completion, seek feedback from your client. Use their input to improve your future projects and relationships. Consider following up after the project to check on their continued needs. Stay connected on professional networks to keep the relationship alive. Building strong client relationships takes time and effort. Focus on providing value and maintaining open lines of communication. Continuously enhance your skills to become even more valuable to your clients. A positive client experience can lead to repeat work and referrals. In summary, prioritize communication, deliver quality, and foster connections. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.